Hello, welcome to this Lansweeper vulnerability video where today we're covering two Schneider Electric Modicon PLC vulnerabilities. These two vulnerabilities are brand new, even though they have a CVE that is from 2022. Most likely these security researchers that have disclosed or found the vulnerabilities itself have been working together with Schneider Electric to ensure that updates and new firmware versions are available before they actually disclose the vulnerability. Hence why the 2022 tech still, but they are just being released and just being disclosed. Now, obviously, it's important that you update your PLCs as soon as possible to ensure that if there are any malicious actors out there, that they cannot abuse these vulnerabilities to actually get a hold of your environment. Now, to get an overview of all the PLCs that are affected or could be affected by this vulnerability, we're going to head into Lansweeper and take a look at how we can find all of our PLCs and their versions. Right, so here on Lansweeper, we're on the main dashboard where actually if you just want to quickly go ahead and find and run the report, you can actually find it on the main dashboard where you'll see the vulnerability audits. It should be at the top since it would be, at least if you're viewing this video right after it came out, it should be at the top here where this shows all the latest vulnerability audits that we've released. So obviously here it's at the top and you can also click on it to actually head over to the report and view the results. In case you're watching this at a later date, you can always head over to the reports area where either you can find it under security and then vulnerabilities, or you can simply use the filter, the search bar here to look for anything Schneider Electric related, which you'll also be able to find it. Now, once you run the report, you'll get an overview of all of the PLCs and OT devices that you've scanned that actually are part of those two vulnerabilities. They will be listed here along with their asset name, manufacturer, model, serial number if it's scanned, and firmware as well. Now, if you want to grab this report, you'll find a link to the blog below in the description of the video as well, where you'll be able to get a link directly to this report if you already have Lansweeper. If you do not have Lansweeper yet, you can go ahead and try Lansweeper either with just a demo or get a trial, and you can get started with your own data and see how this looks for you and grab the report, use the report really in your own IT and OT environment to make sure that you have a complete overview of all of your IT and OT devices. And with that, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.